The Edit Content Language screen allows us to edit the language on our website. You'll notice on the top left we have the title of the language, we've got the title native, we've got the URL language code. So it's important to pay attention to these tooltips and make sure that you read them if you're going to make any edits on the screen. The significance of this URL language code, it says this language code will be appended to the site URL. When SEF is enabled, one will get http mysite.com/en/. If SEF is disabled, the suffix &language equals en will be appended to the end of the URL. Note the language code must be unique among all the languages. Once you've got that there, and you've read this, it's got to be unique along all the languages. The image prefix here is the prefix of the image file for this language when using the Use Image Flags Language Switcher Basic option. So for example, if en is chosen, then the image shall be en.gif. Images in CSS for this module are in media/mod_languages. So you want to be mindful of that if you're changing any of this stuff. New users wouldn't need to touch any of these things. If you're adding new languages and whatnot, you may need to tinker with them. Here we can affect the status of the language, the access of the language, who has access to it, and description, and any meta keywords, and a description to put in, and then a site name. And the significance of this is because if you have a new language, you want to have a new meta description for that website. This would be the override there for that language globally. And then here's the new site name that's going to be in that language globally as well if you're overriding the English. The English, because it becomes in default, this is going to be set in the up here underneath site and global configuration. So again, new users aren't going to have to tinker with anything back here, but that's what that stuff does. You've got save, save and close, save and new, and close on this screen, and that is about it. Thanks.